ConvertKit is one of the most popular autoresponders amongst content creators. And that is primarily because of the powerful automation features that it has. But there is one big problem. It is extremely costly. It can burn a big hole in your pocket and can be a burden, especially if you are a beginner. What if you could get all of those powerful automation features from ConvertKit with a slightly simpler user interface at a fraction of the price and with an even better email deliverability?
I'm sorry, what did you say?
That is what I'm going to show you in today's video. So let's get started. Hello and welcome back. This is Dilip. If you're new to this channel and you don't know me, then I'm a podcaster, blogger and affiliate marketer. And this is a channel where I share a lot of simple and practical tips on using content creation like podcasting, blogging and affiliate marketing to make money online. So if you're new here, then you might want to subscribe to this channel so that you are updated with all of the latest videos that I release. Now on to today's video. ConvertKit has been a preferred choice for a lot of the top content creators and in fact a lot of the top influencers out there. And one of the primary reasons for this is because of the powerful automation features in ConvertKit. You can create automated email sequences. There are a lot of use of tags. You can manage subscribers according to their interests, their preferences, and there is a lot of efficiency that you can build into your email marketing system using ConvertKit. And hence most content creators prefer using it in comparison to a lot of the other autoresponders that are out there. But then there is one thing which keeps a lot of the beginner content creators from using ConvertKit, and that is the hefty price tag. Because ConvertKit can be extremely costly in the long run, especially as your email list grows. While I understand the features part and the automation and everything, I'm somehow not okay with the price tag and the amount of money that you have to pay for those features, which is a big deterrent for beginner content creators. So, is there an alternative? There absolutely is. And that is what I'll show you today. This alternative is BirdSend. Now, I've been using BirdSend for a few months now, in fact, a couple of months now, and I imported part of my email list into BirdSend about a couple of months so that I can test drive them, try their features and see how their deliverability and all of the other features work. So I imported a part of my email list into BirdSend and I've been using them for the last 2 months and I can tell you that the service is amazing. They have excellent deliverability. They have the same kind of automation features but without all of the jazz in terms of drag and drop and etc. But they'll give you the same kind of automation features that you will find in ConvertKit. In fact, a little more powerful, and they have a lot more other features that can benefit you as a content creator. If you are somebody who's not into the e-commerce industry, you're not somebody who's selling a lot of products online or have an online shop, then BirdSend is a better choice for you in comparison to that of ConvertKit. And the best part is that you get all of these features at a fraction of the price that you will pay for ConvertKit. Now, some of the things that makes BirdSend a good alternative, in fact a better alternative for ConvertKit, is one, their cost effectiveness, two, extremely high deliverability. I've tried both on ConvertKit and on BirdSend. I've sent email to the same list with similar headlines and a similar body tag, and I've seen that the open rates are amazing and the deliverability using BirdSend is absolutely amazing. And something that I really like in BirdSend is their one-page sequence builder. So you can add as many emails as you want to your sequence on that single page. So you don't have to browse here and there to add emails to your sequence. And it's a very powerful and handy feature if you are writing a lot of emails and adding them to your sequences. Then BirdSend also gives you an option of revenue tracking. So if you're somebody who sells using your emails, then the revenue tracking is an extremely good way of tracking what is the revenue that you're generating using your emails. That's another feature that BirdSend gives you. And finally, the best one that I like is the subscriber preference. So if I am to explain it, in ConvertKit, if you tag a particular subscriber using multiple tags and you're marketing to them using different kind of emails, like for example, you're sending them podcasting related emails and affiliate marketing related emails. Now, if your subscriber doesn't want to receive the affiliate marketing emails, there is no way that they'll be able to unsubscribe only from the affiliate marketing related emails. If they unsubscribe, then they'll stop receiving both the affiliate marketing and the podcasting related email. But in BirdSend, that is a plus, because in BirdSend, you can unsubscribe your subscribers only from one of those choices. They need not unsubscribe from both or all of these. So that's a plus, because that way you will still be able to retain your subscriber and send them emails based on their interest. Now, what I'll do is I'll do a point-by-point comparison of BirdSend and Convertkit and why I prefer BirdSend in comparison to that of Convertkit, which will give you better idea of why is it that I am recommending BirdSend if you're a content creator. Number one is cost. Now, if you compare the cost of BirdSend and Convertkit, BirdSend is available at 1/4 the price of Convertkit, which is a huge saving if you're looking to optimize your costs and improve your profitability. Every one of us wants to do that. Why do we have to spend additional money if we can save that and improve our profitability? BirdSend will help you do that because the price for BirdSend is 1/4 of what Convertkit charges. Number two is in terms of the A/B testing. Now, Convertkit has A/B testing, but it is very limited when it comes to A/B testing. Whereas BirdSend has far more better A/B testing feature in addition to the fact that it has an option of automatically sending your email to people who have not opened your email. Now, unopens is something that is common. It might not be deliberate from your subscribers. They might just miss out on your emails. But what BirdSend will do is if you choose the automatic resend to unopens, then BirdSend will automatically send the same email, or if you want to change the subject line, you can even do that to your unopens in a few days. You can decide on how many days you want to wait before you resend the email to your unopens. So that's an extremely handy feature in BirdSend, which you will not get in Convertkit. Number three, like what I said, revenue tracking. Now, when I'm sending an email to my subscribers, a lot of times I promote products, I promote my courses or my ebooks in the emails. And there is no way I'll be able to see how much money I am actually making from the emails that I am sending. But BirdSend helps you track that revenue, which means that if there is somebody who is clicking on the links in your emails and purchasing from your website, BirdSend accounts for those sales and shows them as revenue from your emails. That is a plus in BirdSend, which you will not be able to find in Convertkit because Convertkit has very limited revenue tracking capability. Number four is the subscriber management. Now, like what I said, something that I don't want is to unsubscribe a subscriber from my email list if they don't want to hear on a particular topic, but they want to hear about another topic that I am discussing. Now with Convertkit, there is no such option. So if a subscriber unsubscribes, he's unsubscribed from your list, which means that they'll not get any further emails from you. But with BirdSend, subscribers have a choice of unsubscribing from that particular sequence or that particular kind of emails that they don't want to receive, which means that I still get to retain my subscribers, which means I'm not wasting all of the efforts that I'm putting in growing my email list, which is a huge plus when it comes to subscriber management. And number five is the user interface. Now, all said and done, while Convertkit has a lot of powerful automation features, there is a learning curve. Convertkit needs you to spend a lot of time understanding how their automation flow works, how the drag and drop automation builder works, how the if this then that automation works. And this can be huge. For somebody who is getting started, you will have to spend a lot of time trying to learn how all of these powerful automation features work. That is something that I don't want to be doing. I want a very simple interface which shows me how to build those automations, which is easier for me to do, which gives me a simpler interface where I can easily build out all of those automations. And BirdSend does just that. All of the automation features are pretty easy. It's very easy to build and it still is as powerful as the automations that you will find in Convertkit. So from that perspective, I think BirdSend is an amazing autoresponder for content creators who don't want to spend a lot of time trying to learn all of these gimmicks and skills and then use that to market to your subscribers. So that way, BirdSend is amazing. So if you look at all of those 5 features, while I understand that Convertkit might have a lot more features, but if you look at the price to the feature comparison, I think BirdSend wins hands down because for the price that they charge, they have amazing deliverability, excellent features, and as a content creator, I don't have to put in a lot of effort to manage my subscribers and market to them. So if you're somebody who wants to save time and put all of those focus into writing your emails, creating content, and not spend a lot of time trying to learn how to use your email autoresponder, then BirdSend is the way to go. If you're somebody who wants to optimize your cost, save money, and make more money, then BirdSend is the way to go. If you're somebody who's looking for powerful automation features but don't want to pay the money that Convertkit charges, then BirdSend is the way to go. So go ahead, check out BirdSend. You'll be able to find the link in the description box below. below. Go ahead and check it out. Amazing software. They have a 30-day money back guarantee. If for some reason you don't like BirdSend, then you can always request a refund and get it within 30 days. So go ahead and try it out. The link is there in the description box below. Go ahead and check it out. That's all that I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and found value in it. If you did, then do give this video a thumbs up so that others are able to find this and benefit from it. And if you like this video and haven't yet subscribed to this channel, then you might want to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you stay updated with all of my latest videos. That is all that I have for this video. If you have any questions around podcasting, blogging and affiliate marketing or making money with any of these, then you might want to drop them in the comments box below and I'll respond to all of them. I'll be back again next week with another interesting video. Until then, stay tuned. This is goodbye from Dilip.